art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Flutter from Dandy's World. So first let's get started with our face in the center, and we're going to start by drawing in the heart shape on the left, curving this line around and then bringing that in at a point on a diagonal. Starting in the center again from the middle, we're going to curve this line back around and then in at a point, connecting that. For the eyes now, we're going to draw in a nice big oval on the right hand side. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the left, lining that up at the same height. For the eyelashes on the bottom, we're just going to draw in two diagonal lines that come out. For the top of the eye, starting on this line on the side, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then in on the right. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now in towards the side of our eye, from the top, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll replicate this over on the left-hand side as well. On the top, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight. Now coming out for the antennas, we're going to draw in the heart upside down this time. So from this point, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then again from that point on the top, curving this line back around and then in. Let's line this up at the same height on the left-hand side, curving this line around and then up. And then to the right of that, curving this line back around and then up again. In the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up towards the top. And then to the right of that, we're just going to arch this line around and then down. And then moving underneath, we're just going to draw in two straight lines that come down towards the head. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. On both sides now, again, we're going to curve this line further in towards the middle. And then again on the bottom, just drawing in an arch line from left to right. For the dress, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Now for the legs on the inside, we're going to draw in two straight lines that come down towards the bottom, ending those at the same height. Underneath, we're going to curve this line out. And then from that corner, we're just going to arch this line back in. And then now on the top, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in towards the top. Now let's draw in the wings behind. So on the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then we're going to line this up at the same height over on the left and replicate that. Now from that corner, we're going to continue to curve this line back around and then in. And then one more time, we're just going to curve this line in towards the corner of our dress. Now we're going to draw in another heart on a diagonal. So from this point, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then from that point again, just replicating that. Let's move over on the left-hand side now, curving this line around and then in. And then again from that point, let's replicate that again. One more time moving up, we're going to leave a gap, replicating that on both sides. And then again, as we move out towards the outside, curving this line around and then in. And that is it. That's how you draw Flutter from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.